Hello everyone, this is Tanya from Professor Tanya Speaks, and today we're going to be talking about using the you attitude, which is the attitude that we like to adopt in business communication, where we try to write in such a way that the audience's needs, interests, wishes, and preferences are made primary. We put their needs at the front rather than our needs, the needs of the writer. So we try to remove all the we and us language, and we try to make it you and your, because that way the reader feels that you're thinking about his or her wishes. So let me give you an example. I'm going to take this example from the Bovee textbook, which I use with my classes. So let's say you saw this example and it says, today is the only day that we can promise quick response to purchase order requests. We are swamped the rest of the week. That's the we language. Now, the you attitude would sound something like this. If you need a quick response, please submit your purchase order requests on Tuesday. It's saying the same thing, but rather than making it all about us, we can only do it because we are swamped, you say, if you need a quick request, so we leave it up to you. If you want a quick response, here's what you need to do. And let me give you another example from the textbook. And I'm taking this from page 86, the 5th Canadian edition. So, at Construction Resources, we are proud to supply the highest rated engineered wood in the entire Midwest. Once again, we are proud. But if you wanted to show the you attitude, you could say something like this. Ensure the integrity of your building products with the highest rated engineered wood in the entire Midwest. You're still boasting. But rather than saying, we are proud to supply, you say, we basically are saying, if you want to ensure the integrity of your building projects. So it's very subtle. But what you want to do once you finish and this is not natural for most people. So I usually say after you've done your first draft and you're reviewing it and you're looking for errors and you're looking for grammar mistakes and you're looking for typos and you're looking to see how you can improve the business communication, you want to intentionally look for anything that has us and we, and see it, because sometimes you actually will have to use it. But as much as you can, you want to use the you attitude so that the reader feels that his preferences and his desires and his outlook is being regarded as primary. So that's something that you need to do, especially those of you who are writing your reports now and your memos and your letters and your email messages. Look back and see where you can add the you attitude, which is really very important in business communication. So I hope that helps, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.